my channel. My name is Kayla if you are new, and welcome to another vlog. And not just any vlog, you guys. It is Vlogmas Day 3. The train now. Now a train, now a train. Are we serious? Are we for real? They're serious. They're serious up in here. They're definitely serious. Good morning, you guys. I hope you guys are all doing well. You have your coffee, getting all cozy, and I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. The fact that we are on Vlogmas Day 3 is insane to me, but also very exciting. So today we have a lot of fun things planned. I'm gonna be heading up to Bellingham, and you already know we're gonna be going to Homegoods and checking out all their Christmas decor. Hopefully we're able to get some Christmas gift ideas, maybe even some Christmas decor. I'm not sure, we will see. I tend to black out when I go into Homegoods. I freaking love that place. But yeah, anyways, let's get on the road. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride, and I will meet you guys when we get up there. Guys, we made it, and I am so freaking excited. I can hardly stand it. So, ooh, I see all the Christmas decor. Let's go. Like, Christmas exploded in here, and I couldn't be happier. I wasn't planning on being in here for a long time, but your girl might have to rethink. You guys, look, there's so much to look at. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm like this because there is so much to look at. They have never had this much Christmas decor ever. It is insane, and I'm loving it. I'm in heaven right now. Guys, look at this. OMG. I don't even know if it lights up. I'm pretty sure it does, and that tree looks like it spins around, but this is so magical. Oh my gosh, there's like 3 of them. There's one there too. Like, Homegoods, you are coming through for your girl. Wow, that's such a unique wreath. I like love that. Not my color scheme, but I love the look of it. This is really pretty too. I found the redone mugs. Your girl's in trouble. And they have the Santa. Okay, this is so cute. I can't seem to find any holiday like greeting cards. I see bags and boxes, but I can't seem to find any cards, which I'm gonna need because we just got our family pictures back and I got a whole bunch printed out for not only you guys but my family as well. So I need to get a move on that. As you guys can see, it's dark outside, but I'm curious, do you guys ever get super overwhelmed in a store, so much so that you can't even decide? Like, I had so many things in my hand, but I just put them all back because the cars. Anyways, I just put them all back because I just couldn't decide for the life of me. Maybe it's a good thing, maybe I didn't need anything, but wow, I am so excited to come back here with my mom on Saturday. I know, we're crazy. It was my mom's birthday, the 17th. A lot of you guys messaged me and said, tell your mom a happy birthday, which is so sweet of you guys, but it's freezing. I'm gonna go in the car. I'm like, do I go to Trader Joe's? I feel like it's super late, even though I know it's not. It's like, I think 4 o'clock, maybe. But anyways, it's freezing out here. Let's go in the car and we might go to Trader Joe's. We'll see. So don't ask me why and how I ended up at the mall. I have no idea. I truly don't. Actually, I do. The line at Trader Joe's was actually absurd, especially for like how late, well, it's not late, but for how dark it is. But here I am ranting outside of the mall. Let's go inside. I haven't been in here in a while. I don't know why, but malls are just so cozy during Christmas. So let's go inside.
Let it snow.
Okay, a little depressing. The Starbucks in the mall still isn't open and none of the Christmas decor is up that I can see so far. But usually all of this is like done up so nicely. I'm a little sad, you guys.
And the fire is slowly dying. And my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Okay, I had to leave Bath & Body Works. I don't know what I was thinking. They have such amazing scents in there and they have all the Christmas decor. It's so magical. I showed you guys. And holy crap, I had to get out of there. Do not buy Bath & Body Works candles yet, you guys. They have their $8 sale. I did get a new lunch bag. I use these for my lunch and stuff, so yeah, everybody is looking at me like I'm crazy because I just don't give 2 fucks, okay? But anyways, everything I looked at was super cute. Didn't buy anything. The girl was good. Didn't go into H&M because I just need to go home, okay? But anyways, I will meet you guys at the house and not looking forward to driving home in the dark. This mall is so depressing. I can't, you guys. No Santa? No Santa? What's up with that? What is up, you guys? The cars are loud. Oh, hello, sir. The trains. The trains. As you guys can see, it's dark. As you guys can see, it's dark outside. As you guys can see, the car. I actually don't mind it getting the cars once again. Is it necessary? Is it? What was I saying? Oh yeah. Really? And not just any vlog, it's Vlogmas day 3. And my fingers are looking ratchet. The Annie's Pretzels is right over there and I can smell it. My mouth is salivating, you guys, salivating.